Hello there, I am AM and I'm your host for today. I have brought you 3 major life hacks which I have wasted my time, gathered from the internet, and I've brought to you, and I'm going to teach you how to do them. So, without wasting much time, I'm going to teach you number 1, how to hide from your angry mom.
Sabi! Kitte! मैं घर की पसीना बाहर नहीं जाना.
Now, I am paralyzed with fear.
Tandanadaha.
But out of nowhere, seriously, I don't even know where, I get out my laptop and I search how to hide. From the result comes an evil smirk on my face, a scared mom, and bang! Now you are undetectable. Well, that's at least until you come out of that position a bit, then this happens.
Headshot.
The first life hack was a smashing hit until I came out of my hiding position, but no problem. I've brought you life hack number 2 of how to make your angry dad smile. But first, we need an angry dad. So let's go. Oi, Snapchat dane office dada. Okay, here goes. Hey, Dad. I wanted to say that I dented the car. He? I said I dented the car. He? Hold on a second. Simple enough. की कर कोई गल नहीं है नहीं गल है कोई गल नहीं जा जा seriously okay thank you की कर रहा सी ओए Snapchat ओए गड्डी Yep, and that's how it's done. That's how you can make your brown, angry dad smile. Okay, last but not the least. Now, moms are pretty difficult. I have shown you how to deal with angry dad. But now, it's time for me to show you how to make your brown mom happy. Hey Mom, I hope you're not angry because of how I pranked you. I just pranked you for a video, a life hack. Okay, now before you ask me when did you prank your mom? Well, I pranked her in the beginning of the video that I broke her makeup, and that is why she was angry, and now I'm here to make her happy. Okay, seems like you're pretty mad. Well, but I bet I can find something to make you happy. I did make Dad happy after all. There must be something for a mom. Let me check. Okay, so that's it. What's the shot? Where's before? Okay. Ow! No, I gotta act cool. Didn't even hurt that much. Okay, so that backfired. Well, at least that shows that hacks cannot be applied to brown moms. Anyways, my mom wants to show us one life hack of hers for all the mothers out there. So, without any further ado, let's have a look at this life hack. Okay, so, what you got?
बोलो ना ऐसा ही बैठा रहे ठीक है
That's exactly what I've been doing all that time.
Okay. How to make someone disappear?
Wait, what? No, Mom, no disappearing acts.
Too late.
No, Mom.
Mummy's बदला जिंदाबाद जाके सब बेटे ट्राई करनी है लाइफ हैक नंबर 4 अंग्रेजी life hack number 4 is Pummy certified that it can make someone disappear. Okay, bye-bye. ते एक और गल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना तुसी ना भूलना सब्सक्राइब करना तुसी सारे भूल जाने हो जल्दी नाल सब्सक्राइब कर लो ठीक है बाय